The world lay in ruins. World War II had ended, but victory felt hollow. Among the rubble, a group of Nazi scientists vanished. They disappeared into the shadows, taking their sinister knowledge with them. Their escape was a ticking time bomb. The world, weary from war, remained oblivious. These men were not soldiers. They were not politicians. They were scientists, driven by a dark ambition. Their goal was to reshape the world in their own twisted image. They found refuge in a hidden bunker, a place where their horrific work could continue. The dawn of the new millennium arrived. The year 2000 brought with it a silent terror, the Y2K bug. Systems crashed, planes fell from the sky, cities plunged into darkness, panic spread like wildfire, the world descended into chaos. The fragile order, painstakingly rebuilt after the war, crumbled. Governments collapsed, society fractured, humanity was on its knees, and in their hidden laboratory, the Nazi scientists saw an opportunity. The scientists, fueled by twisted ideology and unchecked ambition, dove deeper into forbidden science. They experimented with human DNA, splicing it with animal genes. Their creations were grotesque abominations that defied nature. These creatures were strong, they were resilient, they were also uncontrollable. The scientists had unleashed a horror they could not contain. Their hubris had birthed a new nightmare for the shattered remnants of humanity. The creatures broke free from their confines. They rampaged across the ravaged landscape. Humanity, already on its knees, was ill-prepared for this new threat. Their numbers dwindled with each passing day. The scientists, realizing the magnitude of their error, became desperate. They saw only one solution, a final devastating nuclear strike. They believed they could cleanse the earth and rebuild it in their image. Their plan was madness. It was also their undoing. Section 5, In the Shadow of Fallen Gods. The nuclear firestorm raged. It consumed the scientists and their creations, but it also poisoned the earth, leaving behind a desolate wasteland. The remnants of humanity clung to survival in this shattered world. Millennia passed. The echoes of the apocalypse faded into myth and legend. Humanity endured, scattered across the wasteland, shaped by the horrors they had witnessed. But the legacy of the scientists' sins lived on. The year 12,000 AD dawned on a world vastly different from our own. Towering metal husks pierced the sky, remnants of a forgotten technology. Mutated creatures, the descendants of the scientists' creations, roamed the ruins. Humanity had rebuilt after a fashion. They formed small, isolated communities, clinging to life in the shadow of the past. Legends whispered of a place called Castle Leveltaria, a beacon of knowledge and hope in this desolate world. A small group of individuals, each possessing unique skills and haunted by their pasts, received a mysterious summons. It was a call to Castle Leveltaria. They were chosen for a purpose they barely understood, to embark on a perilous quest. They were warriors, healers, and scholars. They were the last hope of a dying world. And their journey would take them through the ruins of the past, confronting the terrifying legacy of the Nazi scientists' sins. The journey to Castle Leveltaria was fraught with danger. The heroes faced mutated creatures and treacherous landscapes. They battled not only external threats but also their demons. The weight of their responsibility bore down on them. Their bond deepened with each challenge they overcame. They learned to rely on each other, their individual strengths complementing one another. They became more than just a group of individuals. They became a beacon of hope in a world consumed by darkness. The heroes finally reached Castle Leveltaria. It was a towering fortress made of stone, a testament to the ingenuity of a bygone era. Within its walls lay the knowledge of the past and perhaps the key to humanity's future. Their quest was far from over. The echoes of the abyss still resonated, threatening to consume them all. But with courage in their hearts and the weight of a dying world on their shoulders, they pressed on. They were humanity's last ember of hope, flickering against the encroaching darkness.